welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Happy Tuesday. I can't believe we're already hitting Thanksgiving week. It's just crazy to me. But for today, I have a small thrift haul for you. My husband and I went on a junk run on Sunday. I was really trying to be careful about not getting too many things that were projects because I already have enough in my stash right now, and just trying to concentrate on things that I could wash and fix anything and get out on the floor for Christmas. So that's kind of where we tried to stay. There are a few exceptions to the rule, of course, but I didn't have really any time on Friday or Saturday because of my open house to do projects, so this was kind of my backup plan. So I'm glad you guys are here so I can show you the cool stuff that we did find. And I know a lot of you are interested in knowing how my open house went, and it went really well. It was very smooth, had a lot of fun, had a lot of great people come in and say hello and visit for a while. And so it was just a really great couple of days. I enjoyed it very much, and I appreciate everybody who stopped by. And so I am going to get started on my little haul for today. I think I'm going to start kind of on this end and work my way this way this time. So we found this little guy. I love this. I think it's so cute. I don't know that I'm gonna really do anything to it. I think I like it just the way it is. The only thing is this is very loose, and so it probably needs to be taken off and re-glued, and then maybe a couple more red nails stuck in the bottom of it. So that's one of the things I'll do, and this was $8 at the Goodwill. So anyway, I just thought it was kind of cute, so I grabbed that. And it's super easy fix, and then it can just go out on the floor for Christmas. This little lantern I thought was really pretty. This is a nice heavy lantern. It was only $6, and so I grabbed it. This will probably go in our booth over at Reclaimed Market, just because we have more of a traditional Christmas feel over there with more of the reds and greens, whereas here in the cottage I have more of a neutral feel going with more blacks and browns and greens. So this will definitely fit more over there. So I'll probably take it over there. Then I found this super cute little crock. Don't know really anything about it at this point. I just thought it was pretty. It was only $2.99. I love the colors. I thought it was just a sweet little thing. So I grabbed that. Now, this is crazy, but it's probably my favorite thing that I grabbed on Sunday. And totally not my style, but I just think it's really kind of cool. It's a quilted Christmas tree skirt. So it's got the slit in it for to go around your Christmas tree. And look at all the different fabrics in here. I just think whoever did it did a wonderful job. I love the color scheme. It looks like it was probably sewn by hand. So I just thought it was a cool thing, and so I grabbed it, and I'm going to probably put this in our booth over at the Reclaimed Market as well, over in Coeur d'Alene. So then I found this cute little lacy scarf. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do with this yet. It will probably go into some sort of a project, but it was only $3, and I just love the lace. It's got kind of a vintagey feel. It's not really white. Definitely more of a cream color. So I grabbed that. And then these two tobacco baskets, they were $2.99 each. There's really nothing wrong with them. I think they're in great shape. I looked at both of them. This one's got a couple little cracks right here. I don't know that I'm going to have time to really do much with these for Christmas this year. So I might, because you can take these and dress them up, you can hang a sign in here, you can put a wreath in here. There's all sorts of cool things I've seen people do with these on Pinterest for Christmas. For me, since it's getting a little late now, I might see if I can find some ideas for springing these up a little bit. So hopefully I can figure out something. I'm sure I can. There's got to be some ideas out there. And then, you know, it's always pumpkin season when you find pumpkins for a decent price. This one was $3.99. I don't like the color that it is, and it is ceramic, but I'm going to paint this. It's got some nice texture to it, so I think it'll be kind of a fun candidate for some different wax over the paint. So we'll see, but I figured for $4 I'd grab it. So there's that. I loved this little candle holder. I'm not a big fan of this stuff here. Might take that off and do something different with it. It's nice and heavy. It's a pretty red, beautiful Christmas kind of candle holder, and blue tags were half off. So this was only $2, so I grabbed it. These angels, I just love them. They're so pretty. This one has her arms kind of extended, and she's got clover leaves on her, and I don't know why. I don't know where she's from exactly. She's not Lennox or anything like that, but I just thought she was pretty, and she was only $3.99, so I grabbed her. And then this one is a little more Christmassy because she's actually got holly on it, and she was $3.99 as well. And both of these are just in really great shape, and I just think they're so pretty. So I grabbed both of those, and again, it's nice because I can just clean them up and put them out in my Christmas displays. So, and then this little old world Santa, it feels like he's either resin or wood. I thought he was just precious. And again, he was only $4.99, so I'll put him out, just give him a good bath, and then he'll go out. Don't want to break anything. I worry about her little arms because the way they are. And then this angel I thought was just beautiful. She's iridescent, and she lights up somehow. I'm really not sure. She takes some AAA batteries, and so I've got some. I just haven't had a chance to put them in her yet, and so we'll see. She was a little bit more than I wanted to spend. She was $6, so I won't make much money on her, but I'm interested to see what she does when she's lit up. So we'll see what happens there. Anyway, and then these two candle holders I thought were just kind of pretty. They definitely remind me more of fall because of this amber little glass in the middle. But they're cute, and I love the fact, I like it when I can find candle holders that are two different heights like these guys, and they're in really, really good shape. I don't think I'm going to do a darn thing to them, just clean them and then put them out. And they were $3 a piece, so I grabbed those. Then I love lanterns for Christmas. I think they're awesome. I actually have a few like this that I put out on my front porch with my Christmas displays. This one has a bunch of candle wax that got spilled inside of it, and so that's going to be a fun chore to get all that out. I'll be using my lovely handy dandy hair dryer to do that, and but I thought it was a nice lantern. I love the wood and the black together, and it was only $6, so I'll clean it up and get it ready and then put it out. And these are cool all year long, you know, not just for Christmas, obviously, just spring, whatever. And like I said, I love mine on my porch, and I put different colored candles in them for the different seasons. So that was that. Then this I thought was fun. This is one of those, I have a bigger one of this that I have pots on with my plants, and this is a small version. And so it's just a little fold out plant stand, so you can fit 3 little potted plants in here. So I thought that was pretty cool, and not Christmas at all, but like I said, I thought it was neat, and it was only $3.99, so I grabbed it. One of my plant lovers will love that. And then lastly, this was the only item that we found at the last Goodwill we went to. There were other things there, but again, I was just really trying to stick to my goal of trying to find Christmas stuff, trying not to overspend, trying not to have more stuff that I'm trying to kick out of my way in here every time I come in to do a project. So I was just trying to keep it to a minimum. So, but I did find this, and I thought the price was good. It was only $5.99. It's really, really pretty. It comes apart, so the stand probably could use a paint job. but I loved the mosaic on this this cone, and I just thought it was really pretty, very Christmassy to me. I just think this is a super Christmassy piece, and I would definitely put some greenery in here and just use it as a little centerpiece on a table or whatever. The stand is kind of a burnished gold. I'm going to wash it and see what it looks like once it's clean. Hopefully I don't have to repaint it. Sometimes I find if you don't have the time for the paint to completely cure before you put things back together, you run the risk of damaging your paint. And so I really, when I'm in a rush trying to get things out, I'd really rather not have to put a brand new coat of spray paint on something. So hopefully it'll clean up nice and I won't have to do that. Maybe I could even just take some gold gilding wax or some of that other gold that I have and just brush it up a little. We'll see. So anyway, that is it for our thrift haul for this week. Like I said, just trying to keep it to a little bit of a minimum so that I don't have too much more to add to my stash in here. So I think I did a pretty okay job. And the next time I see you guys will be on Black Friday, and I am trying to get my stuff together and get a few projects done. Obviously I have today and tomorrow to finish them up because I will be closed on Thanksgiving. We are going out to spend the day with my daughter and her husband and their 2 kids on Thanksgiving, so that should be fun. And so for Black Friday's video, I have a couple projects that I've been wanting to get finished for Christmas. I have 2 signs that I painted. I just did a base coat on them ages ago and then never finished, and so I want to get those guys done for Christmas. And then I have a whole other set of ornaments I've been working on that I am hoping that I can get done and have for you guys for Friday as well. I will also be running some great specials here in the shop and also on my website, particularly on Redesign with Prima products. So all of my redesign on Friday through the end of the month will be 20% off. And that is the stuff that I actually have in stock myself. And there will also be some select items that I purchased that will be 50% off. So if you guys need anything, transfers, molds, stamps, any of that kind of stuff, please check it out. www.theeclecticcottagespokane.com. It's listed in the description box below. Anyway, enough of that. And I hope you liked today's video. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And let me know which of the things that I found on Sunday was your favorite. I think for me, it's still the Christmas tree skirt. Absolutely love that. And if you haven't already, please think about subscribing to my channel so that you can follow along with all the craziness that goes on here in my cottage. So anyway, a happy Thanksgiving, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you back here on Friday. Bye.